students, and welcome to BA 131, Module 15. We are getting to the end of the semester. We're going to review the Code of Ethics, review for the final, an introduction of this module, video lecture, readings for the ATA Code of Ethics, and commentary. This is a review. We've seen this before. The final review of key concepts and strategies, and a review page for the final exam, and of course a summary. You'll notice that this does not have any additional assignments. This is because I want you to focus both on getting ready for the final exam next week and to finish any assignments that you have, to get caught up with any missing assignments. It's very important because the final grade is going to be dependent on the work that you turn in. Just like in life, your results are up to you. Here is an introduction to the module. Go ahead and read through this. This is a review of what we covered so far in the semester. We're going to revisit the Code of Ethics. We've seen this in a prior module. And of course, I'm grateful for you for being in this class, for your contributions, for what you have given to this small community that we have. The video lecture will be here. Review the ATA Code of Ethics and commentary. We've seen this before, as I mentioned in a prior module, but here it is again. And the PDF with commentary is right there. Review of key concepts. Go ahead and review this page. This is going to help you for the final exam. And here is a review for the exam itself. You will have up to 3 hours to complete it, just because we have to put a time limit on exams. I don't expect you to take you nearly that long. The exam is worth 400 points and represents 35% of your final grade. You're going to translate, again, some of the work we've done before, but don't just copy and paste from your prior assignments, because there are certain minor changes that if you just copy and paste, you will not notice. Be sure to retranslate it from scratch so you notice the minor changes that may have been included in this final version for the final exam. You've done this before, the DACA article. You have translated an IEP script. There's a class exercise correction key, so go ahead and review any notes I gave you from those assignments for you to know what to improve, what to look out for. And there's an additional terminology study guide right here. The due date for the exam is noted here, and here are the articles to practice on, but be sure to translate the ones on the final exam, as they might be slightly different. And here's a summary of Module 15. So go ahead and review the concepts, be ready for the exam. There are no surprises. Everything that is on the final exam, we have reviewed it either in the module or in the video lectures. So you are ready for this. Concentrate on getting ready for the exam and turning in any missing assignments, and you'll be good to go. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a wonderful week.